hands and do not skip steps.
This is the final. There's a rank of captain. I love Navy. So this is the Navy officer peak cap. Good evening, Singapore. I'm now at the Navy exhibition at VivoCity. I'm going to get the boat exhibition called Navy at Vivo 2025.
Pointers on the side. Please head to the hangar to begin your visit. Handrails with both hands and do not skip steps.
Alright, finally after 30 minutes of queuing, we're ready to board the RSS resolution ship right here. Wow, so it's not the ship visit room right here. There's no aircon, there's only the fans, but it's actually quite windy here, not hot anymore. Life jacket provided. Lots of people. There's a cafeteria here. A bit sweating now. Wow. It's inside the museum now. This is the final. We reached the top of the inside the ship right now. And look at all this. There's actually aircon here. You can see VivoCity from there.
Hello. Can you see the map? Yeah, can you see the
compass? Ship control system. Electric radar. Electronic chart display information system. Okay. Compass. is like the map of the different countries where the Navy had their presence in. They take part in several operations like the North Arabian Gulf Iraq, the Gulf of Thailand 2011. Wow, a very nice sea view. You can see how the ship is sailing. There's one nice ship there. Wow. Combat Information Center. Oh. This should be the finale of the helicopter visit. I mean the ship visit. There's a helicopter in front. This case is a Seahawk S70B. Look at that, man. The ship is the place we explored earlier, and now it's a helicopter. Wow. Lucky it's good weather. I'm back at the main area where the Navy exhibition is. Let's check it out. There's nice mascot here. There's a map here. Wow. "21 stations." They call these divers arsenal. Virtual boat simulator. Search and locate. Wow, this looks interesting.
I'll take a photo with you. You can just queue up from there.
Nice, okay. Gift shop like this. Here redemption. Corona guards the unseen. Oh, here you can actually check out the uniform of the Navy for the kids. There's even arts and crafts activity for the kids. So this is a Navy officer pig cap. Wow. Candyland at VivoCity. It's 7 p.m. now, starting sunset. This is the view and people are still queuing. The exhibition runs until 9 p.m. Look at the queue, man. I'm now at level 3. I'm gonna take a good look at the ship there. Resolution. And they say that level 3 amphitheater, there's some kind of performance at 7:30. Wow. This is another view. I'm walking to the amphitheater Sky Park right over there. 7:30 there's some kind of performance and I'm just excited. The time now is 7:15 p.m. If you guys are hungry, there's Food Republic over there and check out my channel. I've done a video on the food there, really nice. In the whole of Singapore, only here have a statue hanging from a China bar that is really high and he's here like 24 hours. Some nice Christmas decorations. There's a children's playground at level 2 as well. Small pond for children to play. People are already sitting inside.